to dividend investing update number 108. Here's a little crazy, I'm growing it out a bit, but yeah, I decided to do this live again because I figured it was a cool format to switch things up a little bit. So that's what we're doing again. So I'm going to switch over. I have it on a tripod now, so it's a little bit more stable and better experience. No one's watching right now, but if you happen to see this later, works the same way. So going over the portfolio here. So the balance still at $39,000. Not much has changed there. I just keep pouring money into the market and nothing happens because everything keeps going down. So that's just the way of the world right now. In terms of orders, we'll hop into that. So I purchased a share of UGI, a share of Verizon, and 2 shares of Eastman Chemical. Just increasing my positions there, nothing too exciting, I don't think. We also received some dividends. So this is the first dividend from AT&T since their split. Got 10.57, CVS 55 cents. That was not reinvested, and then Verizon for 9.32. So a bit of a communications week for the stocks. Yeah, just getting those, and AT&T and Verizon are reinvested. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. In terms of estimated income now, we're up to $1,320.60, which seems to be accelerating a little bit. I think the compounding effect is in work a little bit here. It's just moving a little quicker, which is nice to see. And I'm happy to be able to purchase things at cheaper prices. I think that's starting to go into motion a bit. So I'm excited for the market decline in a way. And then if we go back to our portfolio here, looking at the biggest gains and losses. So Discover, Sun Profit Group, and Iron Mountain remain at the top. Iron's dipped a bit. Everything's dipped a bit. Everything's down pretty much. But at the very bottom here, we have ONL, Starbucks, Utz, Unilever, 3M, Verizon, AT&T, Corning, and Eastman all in the negatives. In terms of diversification, hop into that real quick. Oh, wow. I actually just noticed my consumer staples is getting a little bit high, but not really a worry right now unless it goes above 25%. But going into this, we have a few companies here above 5%, UGI, McDonald's, IBM. I'm thinking of buying AbbVie next week, but my average cost is still a lot lower than what the current price is, even with some of the declines. Same with not AbbVie, Altria. So it's hard to pull the trigger on that with the market declining. But when you put it in the perspective of like, I would probably have bought this a few weeks ago anyways if the market wasn't declining. It's 152 or 83 right now. Then it's not so bad because ultimately I am investing for the long term, but short-term emotions definitely do get a hold of me to some degree. I don't think we had any dividend increases. Let me check. Oh, yes, we did. UGI increased by 4.3%, which brought my income up to 82. I think that's it. Otherwise, I'll flip this back over. I'm not sure. Is this like a better or worse format in terms of going live? No one's actually like been on my lives yet, which I guess is fair. I have as of recording this, I have 525 followers, so I wouldn't really expect anyone to randomly be on when I am. But if you like this sort of format where I'm just kind of riffing off live, let me know in the comments, or if I should go back to the other one. I was having a lot of troubles though with it for some reason. Like, I'm not sure if it's my computer or the editing software, but I was like in stop motion. It was like you could hear my voice, but I was like, that makes sense. But yeah, this was fun. I like this format a little bit more. Maybe it's just me though. Let me know if you don't like it. But otherwise though, guys, have a safe and healthy week, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.